Look at this cute little guy over here, huh? Huh? All right.
Do you like the churros from Disneyland? Do you know, like, because I think you could do the intro all you.
Annie's idea was I was gonna be like drinking this and say that like I'm not really a big Disney fan.
Wait, you can't see it.
Sorry, the other way. Like, yeah, so I'm not really a big Disney fan.
But you don't have to lie. Don't just say whatever you say. What's like
Okay.
authentic to you.
Cool.
Like,
Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna be making Disneyland's famous churros today. I know you're excited. Sit down, hold on, wait a minute, take it easy. People go crazy for these churros. They'll just drive to Disneyland just to get a churro and then they'll go home. They don't even ride the rides. I don't get it, you know? I'm not really a big Disneyland fan myself. Since we're all staying at home and being safe and Disneyland is closed, they've released the recipe online for their famous churros. And so a lot of people right now are trying to make them at home since they can't get them at the park. I heard this recipe is super easy. It's only 8 ingredients. Hopefully I can do a good job. This is my first time frying anything, but hey, we're gonna give it a shot. This is for you. This isn't for me. You know, I'm doing this for you. Let's do it. So first, we're gonna pour 1 cup of water into a pot. Then we'll be adding 8 tablespoons of butter, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and then cinnamon. Make sure all the butter is melted and then bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, go ahead and reduce the heat to low. Now you're going to add 1 cup and a 1/4 of flour. Be sure to start stirring in that flour with force. You'll notice the flour begin to absorb the liquid and take shape into a ball. Once all the flour is mixed in, take the pot off the heat and let it cool. Once the dough is cool, stir in 1 egg at a time. We're using a total of 3 eggs here. Stir until it's all combined. Start piping that churro batter into your pan of hot oil on medium heat. I used some scissors once I piped out the size I wanted my churros. Now we just wait until these little churro guys get a nice golden color. Once they look good to you, transfer them onto a plate lined with a paper towel so they drain. Look how crispy and delicious they look. Now we're ready to coat them with that magic dust. Mix 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now you're ready to coat those little churro bites. I served them up with a side of chocolate sauce for dipping, but you can use anything like strawberry syrup or caramel. Boom, there you have it. Disneyland's famous churros made right at home. Guys, we did it. We did it. Look at these bad boys. Let me get a little focus on that. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. That's real nice. Well, there you have it. Easy recipe. If I could do it, you could do it. I also had some extra batter, so I decided to make a Mickey Mouse shaped churro, because why not? All right, look at this cute little guy over here, huh? Huh? I went for the Mickey Mouse churro. What do you guys think? Huh? Did I do a good job? I'm just trying to have fun here, okay? I'm just trying to have a little fun. So there's that.
Babe, be you. What's the matter?
I don't know.
Be you.
I don't even know how to say anything.
You don't know how to say anything? You never stop talking, you don't know what to
I
say?
just did it. I just said, guys, we did it. Like, that's me, no?
Okay.
Is that not me?
Probably not.
Okay. Look, I don't know.
Look at this cute little guy.
All right, look at this cute little guy over here, huh? Is that good? What about this? Guys, I'm gonna come in like this. That'd be funny. Guys, if I could do it, you could do it. That's it.
You're done.
You're done. That's it. That's how you do it.